Some of you who follow me on Facebook, hang on, let me actually get the sound recorder out, because many of you complain that my voice is muffled when it is in the helmet. Let's see how this works. Some of you who follow me on Facebook and on Twitter must have seen recently that I said I'm selling the 511, and that's mainly because there's another SM that is coming to join the other bikes. I'm working on that. It will be something completely different, unique in a way. So I prepared all the stuff, all the ad that I wanted to put out, and even some dealer volunteered that I can take it to them, and I can point people to go there to have a look at it just for identity and security reasons. I prepared everything I wanted to say about it, all the options that it has, and all the spare parts that I have for it. But every time that I wanted to press that mouse button, I just couldn't do it. I mean, I know it's a first world problem, but I think only true petrol heads will understand our attachments to what at the end of the day is a machine. I mean, it's what is it? It's an engine and a frame and some wheels, but it's not that. It's the way it makes you feel. I mean, I know a lot of people use them as a tool, and there's absolutely no harm in that. Yes, it is a tool to get you from A to B to many people, but to some, it's completely different. Yesterday, I charged the battery because I wanted to take it for MOT today, which I just came back, and everything is fine, and it passed with flying colors. And but all night I was thinking about, yes, I'm going to ride the SMR tomorrow, and I think that says it all. That's the feeling that you want to get out of a bike. So I made up my mind. I think for the time being, this one is staying. I gotta make more room in the garage, but it's such a unique bike in my view. It's very rare, especially in the UK. It's everything on it is what I always wanted in a supermoto, and and that's all what I can say. I mean, I said it before, I love all bikes, but some bikes, it's the way they make you feel. So this one is staying. For how long, I don't know. Maybe the only way I would sell it, if a true enthusiast comes along, not through an ad, not through anything, but then I really doubt it as well. We'll see.